What's up YouTube? Welcome back. It is me once again. I'm posting another video for you guys on this channel this week. Today we're going to be talking about how I made $24,000 on Shopify. I know that I tell y'all all the time that I made $24,000, but I don't really talk about how I did it. So we're going to cover sort of the surface level of that in today's video. And just for the sake of me telling the truth, I'm going to go ahead and show you my store right here. I'm going to flip it during editing. But there you can see that, and look, I can scroll and everything. So this is not just some random screenshot that I got off Google. This is legitimate, okay? And this is years worth of time. To add some context, my name is Tyler, 20-year-old college student. I've been running Shopify stores since the age of 12 years old. So I've been doing this for about 7 or 8 years. If you want more, to learn more about me, make sure you watch this video. It's called Who Am I? And it's showing proof, like I just did, that I made $24,000. Make sure after you watch that, you come back here, because this is sort of like part 2 to that. It's like continuation. Excuse me. All right, so now we're going to get into the meat of it. Basically what I do is I'm an authorized online reseller, and I will show you guys more what that is in just a second here. But to keep it short, all I do is I go out I reach out to American and Canadian manufacturers in a certain niche, and I ask for legal permission to resell their items online. So for example, let's say I wanted to sell AirPods. So most people who resell AirPods, they actually do it illegally, and they just either will sell reps or they'll find some odd way to get their hands on actual Apple AirPods, and then they just like sell them to somebody for a higher price than they got them for. But if you were doing it under my business model, you would basically reach out to Apple and you would send an email. I only say email with Apple because Apple's huge. It's a huge corporation. But if you were able to, you would get on the phone with them and you would just say, I'm the owner of insert your business name, and I would like to become an authorized reseller of your items. So what they're going to do is they're going to probably send you to an application. You fill out the application, and then you submit like a copy of your reseller's permit, your business certificate, all types of stuff like that. And once you submit that paperwork, then they accept you and you are able to resell their items legally, which means that you can legally use their product photos. You can legally use their prices that they're going to give you. It's called MAP pricing, M-A-P. MAP stands for, I think it's market advised price or something like that. But it's basically the target price that they think you should sell something for. And that's how you make your profit. So you're going to price your item so that it's competitive with the rest of the people in that niche, and you're going to obviously make the difference from what you get it from Apple versus what you sell it for in this example. All right, guys, we're about to get into it. Oh, where did this come from? Hold up. I need to close that. If you guys haven't checked out this video, make sure you go check that out. I'll leave the iCard in the top right corner of your screen. And if you're enjoying the information that I've shared so far, you're a bit intrigued, make sure you hit that like button. But basically, we're going to look up what is an authorized online reseller. Retailer, reseller are both the same in this context. An authorized online reseller is a business or individual that has been officially approved by a manufacturer or brand to sell their products online. A company or individual that has been officially authorized by the manufacturer or vendor to sell and distribute their products. So one of the biggest examples of this going on is Walmart. I like to use Walmart as an example to sort of get people to understand what I mean. So if we go to Walmart, for example, and let's go to TVs, right? Let's say we want to buy a TV from Walmart. Samsung. We see a Samsung TV. Now, everyone knows Walmart does not own Samsung. Samsung does not own Walmart. They are two completely different companies, right, guys? Well, Samsung is basically like, hey, Walmart, we'll allow you to sell our product at your store we'll give you our product at a slightly cheaper price, and you can sell it at your store for a market competitive price. And Walmart's like, okay, awesome. That's what we're going to do. So you guys and me, we are basically Walmart's and Amazon's, but on a smaller scale. And nobody is really doing this on Shopify. Everyone's too focused on clothing brands and all this other stuff, drop shipping off AliExpress. That stuff is so outdated. You don't want to be one of those people, okay? So I'm here to help you. If hold on, I need to make myself big again just for this. If you are looking to get started with this new business model that nobody else is doing, that has been working for me, make sure you join the Discord server. I will leave the link in the comments. If you don't see it, just comment down below and say, I want the link, and I will reply with an invite link to that Discord server. I also have a copy of a free ebook, which is a how to get your first $10,000 on Shopify ebook that I wrote, and I will send you a copy for free if you send me your email. So we will talk about that. But anyways, let's get back into it. So now that y'all understand what the business model is, you might be wondering, well, how do we do this? How do I talk to a brand and become an authorized reseller for them? It's simple. I'll literally show you right now. It'll take 10 seconds. You go on Google, you look up how to become an authorized reseller for, let's say, lenders. Let's say like Ninja. You guys know Ninja, right? Ninja. It's literally, first of all, Google has this AI. Google did not have this right here when I was starting out. Like, I had to do everything myself. But Google has this AI overview, and it's literally going to give you links to everything you need to know. Like, it literally tells you. But even if you didn't have that, you'd literally just look. You just look it up. Boom, here it is. Authorized Reseller FAQs. Okay, so now we're looking at FAQs. You probably want to log into this, right? Because this looks like the application for becoming an authorized reseller of Shark Ninja. Now, let's say we wanted to do another one. Like, let's say Lenovo. You literally just go on Google, how to become an authorized reseller for Lenovo. Grow your business with Lenovo reseller programs. Registration gets started. Become a supplier. We are not suppliers, by the way. We are resellers. Make sure anything that you apply for does not say supplier or anything like that. You are a reseller. So this is what you would want to look at right here. Reseller form. You're literally going to go here. Most of these companies, they have this available to you. People just don't know about it. You're going to go here. It's going to tell you how it works. It's going to tell you to input some of your information, so your company name, your contact information, and then you're just going to log in and you're going to go through with the application. And then eventually they're going to assign some sort of representative to you that you can speak to whenever you have issues. And they're also going to send you the information that you need to know. They're either going to have a portal where you can access all their products, like their product lists, their product images, their product pricing and all that, or they're going to email it to you via an Excel document or anything of the sort, right? But anyway, guys, that was a short video just to give you guys a little bit of context on what it is I do. This was sort of like part 2 to that other video. I'm going to make more in-depth specific videos soon. Things like how to stay consistent with your Shopify store, how to add new products, how to locate these brands that I'm talking about, how to build the store in the first place, you know, those sorts of things. What do I say when I'm on the phone with these brands? I'm going to make videos addressing all of those, and I'm going to be uploading at least 2 videos a week starting now. So make sure that you hit the subscribe button, subscribe to the channel, so that you can get notified when I drop those videos, and you can be even quicker to reach your goals. Okay, I want you to sit down and think to yourself, what do I want to do with this? How much money do I want to make by the end of the year? How do I plan on doing that? If you don't have a plan, I'm here to help you with that. Okay, so hit that subscribe button. Make sure you like the video. Every like helps. Okay, guys, 1000%. And I already told you about the Discord server, so you can leave a comment for that. But other than that, I think that's all I had to say to you guys today. I know it's a bit of a short video, but I will get back at you guys soon. And don't forget, peace out.